How to remove personal vault from OneDrive. Not using OneDrive's personal vault feature. If you'd rather remove it from your folder, view or stop using it altogether. Here's how to safely disable and remove personal vault from OneDrive. Start by visiting onedrive.live.com in a web browser and signing in with your Microsoft account. Personal vault changes must be done online, not through File Explorer. Click on the Personal Vault folder. You'll be asked to verify your identity with a code or biometric. Once inside, delete all the files and folders within. The vault must be empty before removal is possible. I got a verification code on my email. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right, choose Options, then go to Personal Vault tab. First of all, delete the files here. Go to Options, go to Personal Vault tab, right here. You can just click Disable Personal Vault and confirm your decision to disable it. Once disabled, the Personal Vault folder will be hidden from both the web version and your OneDrive folder on PC. You can always re-enable it later if you change your mind. And that's how you remove Personal Vault from OneDrive. It's a secure feature, but if it's not your style, disabling it is just a few clicks away. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.